Good evening, everyone. Well, the National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory from 12 p.m. for tomorrow to around 12 a.m. on Saturday. So what we can expect from that is some slick road conditions, so make sure you give yourself some extra time to travel, especially if you have to travel at night. If you can stay in though, make sure you try to stay in because conditions are going to be nice and slick out there for some of the viewers. It is going to be fairly cold, so might as well just stay in and watch a movie. For right now, though, we are seeing some clear conditions. That cloud coverage is starting to make its way into the viewing area. We did have some clear conditions today, but we're going to start to see that cloud coverage start to pick up as we get into the night tonight. Area conditions for right now, like I said, we are clear. Temperatures still in the 20s, and they're dropping. 26 in Charleston, 24 in Champaign, 27 in Effingham, and 24 degrees in Decatur right now. Like I said, that cloud coverage will continue to pick up, but for right now, we are clear conditions. We will start to see that cloud coverage start to make its way into the viewing area. And since tomorrow morning, we will have mostly cloudy conditions. And then as we get into the day tomorrow in the late afternoon and evening hours, that's when we start to see that snow start to make its way into the picture. Temperatures are going to continue to fall. They're going to start to rise up. We will start to see some wintry mix make its way into the viewing area as well. For futurecast snow totals, not a significant amount of snowfall here in Charleston, just under a half an inch. Around 1.5 inches in Champaign and just under 2 inches in Danville. So most of the snow is in the north. But for the most part, that wintry mix will start to make its way into the viewing area around 8 p.m. on Friday. That's where we're going to start to see that winter weather advisory start to come in. As that wintry mix makes its way out, we do have a chance of rain start to make its way back into the viewing area as well. Ice totals, not significant, around 400ths of an inch here in Charleston, and underneath that in the rest of the viewing area. Like I said, significant amount of rainfall Saturday morning into early Saturday morning. We will start to see that rain start to make its way out of the viewing area as we get into the early morning hours on Saturday as well. Futurecast rain totals around 1 inch throughout most of the viewing area. In the southeastern portions around Robinson, around just under 1 inch, and Terre Haute as well. So due to that rain and the rain that we had last week, we are in a flood watch throughout the entire viewing area. So be prepared for that as lake waters could be high. For the overnight tonight, we do have temperatures around 23 degrees, going to be partly cloudy conditions, winds out of the east around 5 to 10 miles an hour. It's going to be nice and cool tonight. What we expect for tomorrow is around 9 a.m. Cloudy conditions, 25 degrees, 28 around noon with those cloudy conditions. Snow starts to arrive around 3 p.m. Then we're going to start to see that snow transition to that wintry mix and rain with temperatures starting to go over that freezing point. 34 degrees is the high, but we won't see that till the later half of the day for tomorrow evening as well. For the next 7 days, we do have that chance of snow and rain. For tomorrow, it's on its way. Winter weather advisory for tomorrow as well. 44 degrees is the high on Saturday, but it's going to continue to fall. We do have rain in the morning, mostly cloudy on Sunday with temperatures in the teens. Martin Luther King Day is looking like temperatures are in the 20s, and then temperatures back up in the mid-30s.